So, yung work na to is about a version of myself na hindi loud, hindi heroic. It's a self na nabubuo through, everyday routines, pagbabayad, paglilinis, pag-ayos sa sarili, yung mga bagay na ginagawa natin para lang mag-function. When someone looks inside this box, gusto kong ma-discover nila is a self na self na stuck na sa maintenance mode. Hindi siya dramatic, pero hindi din siya fulfilled. Um, this isn't a self na proud or expensive. It's more like a self na constantly na may inaasikaso, always doing something, pero parang walang nangyayaring real change. Parang siyang taong may ritual araw-araw, pero walang apoy, walang transformation. Sa gathering phase, hindi talaga ako lumabas para like maghanap ng special objects. Kinuha ko lang yung mga bagay na already part ng daily life ko. Yung ₱5 galing sa sukli, yung resibo from a normal purchase, yung, you know, yung cotton buds, ginagamit, of course, yung container, something plastic and replaceable. I choose them over other objects kasi sobrang ordinary nila. Walang emotional value, walang nostalgia. Um, These are objects na ginagamit para magpatuloy lang. Once tapos na yung purpose nila, wala na silang halaga. And that's exactly why I pick them. Gusto kong mag-work with objects na usually invisible, yung hindi mo binibigyan ng meaning. Through assemblage, nagbago yung role ng bawat object. Yung container naging parang handle, pero walang apoy. Yung coins naging offering, bilang bilang na bilang, pero obviously kulang. Yung resibo naging burial proof, hindi na siya tungkol sa binili, hindi about participation sa isang sistema. And yung cotton buds, instead na panglinis, parang naging seal. Instead of care, naging restriction. Um, the new thought here is the care doesn't feel that care doesn't always heal. Sometimes care is just maintenance. Sometimes we're not good fixing ourselves. We're just keeping ourselves together enough to survive. Um, this work also changes the idea of art as something polished or content ready. Hindi siya pretty. Hindi siya made to be aesthetic or shareable. Walang spectacular sa kanya, spectacle sa kanya. You have to slow down to get it. The value of the work isn't how it looks, but how intentional it is. Um, what this task taught me about being an artist is the meaning comes from choice. Hindi lahat ng objects kailangan isama. Hindi lahat kailangan ipaliwanag. The moment I started limiting myself, mas nagiging clear yung idea, intentionality becomes more important than creativity. And last but not least, this is the name of this art is Ritual Without Flame. No, it's about everything right, but still feeling like nothing changed. Maybe recognizing that that is already part of the ritual. So that's pretty much it. See ya.